In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find the best promo codes or coupon code or discount code for NordVPN. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up web browser, then go to google.com and in the search bar type in NordVPN promo code. It brings you to that web page that contains a lot of websites that offers you a promo codes, and you can now open up any of them to check that promo codes. Here, as you can see, I got 29 promo codes. I can scroll through all of them. And now, if I like to use one, here I can tap at more details to get some additional information about that promo code. And also here I can tap at show coupon to see it. It gives me 69% off for NordVPN, and now I can hit at that icon to copy that promo code to my clipboard, and then I can go to NordVPN website where I can buy their stuff. And once you are ready to pay money, just don't forget to use that promo code. Just type it in promo code field and double check if it's applied. If for some reason that promo code doesn't work, you can in any time go back to that site and from here try to use another promo code. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.